to bed on Saturday night. I had a feeling that something wasn't right. They said we'd have an inch or two. Even Norm said we would just get a few. Snow to the left of me, snow to the right. Here I am, stuck in this blizzard, I'm screwed. Well, Sunday morning got out of bed, and the snow was up over my head. I looked out, I couldn't see very far, and I think the snowplow just hit my car. Shoveling to the left of me, swearing to the right. Here I am, stuck in this blizzard, I'm screwed. Well, my wife sent me out to find myself a bunch of milk and bread, but I ended up going out and drinking and driving a sled.
Giddy up, boy!
Goodbye, Jen.
Come on, kid! Let's go! Come on, kid! Come on, kid! Let's go!
Well, I shoveled out my parking space. A guy pulled in and I punched out his face. When I shoveled, didn't hurt my back, but I had a massive heart attack. Medics to the left of me, ambulance to the right. Here I am, face down in the blizzard, I'm screwed.
What's happening again, we have a fast-moving low-pressure system racing through the area. Behind the low-pressure area, brisk northwesterly winds driving in very chilly air. Baltimore is seeing bursts of moderate snow, and also close proximity to this low and the moisture being drawn in from off the Atlantic. Now, we do expect some locally heavy snows to persist during the afternoon, and winter storm warnings remain posted Baltimore metro area.
Well, the first day we looked out and we thought the storm was really pretty, but now I pulled my hair all out and look just like G. Gordon Liddy. The snowball just hit me. Well, all the shelves are already bare. If I had some, I would eat my hair. All the toilet paper's already gone, and my underpants are now a nice thong. Fruitcakes to the left of me, squirt cheese to the right. Here I am, stuck in this blizzard, I'm screwed.
Heavier snows developed overnight
I'm stuck in this blizzard, I'm screwed.
just outside of Baltimore.
Here I am, stuck in this blizzard, I'm screwed.
More snow is placed in the
Yes,
northeast.
I'm stuck in this blizzard, I'm screwed.
And behind that, we have another storm system that's brewing farther towards the west.